What is the difference between townhomes and single-family homes? Both townhomes and single-family homes come with their own set of advantages, catering to different lifestyles and preferences. We hope this quick look at some of their key differences will help you make an informed decision in your new home purchase. Let's take a look at what makes them unique. Single-family homes are standalone structures, typically owned by the homeowner. They usually have their own land plot and are not physically connected to any other dwelling. Townhomes, on the other hand, are a part of a larger complex where multiple units are attached side by side. Townhomes share walls with neighboring units and often have multiple floors. Single-family homes typically come with a larger plot of land surrounding the house. This land can be used for various purposes like gardening, outdoor activities, or expansion. Townhomes usually have a smaller footprint of land since they are part of a shared complex. The land around townhomes is often collectively owned and maintained by a homeowners association or HOA. In single-family homes, the homeowner is responsible for all maintenance and repairs, both inside and outside the house, as well as any landscaping and yard work. An exception to this rule would be if the home is located in a low-maintenance community. Townhome communities often have HOAs that manage and maintain common areas, exterior maintenance such as roofing and siding, landscaping, and sometimes even certain utilities. Single-family homes generally offer more privacy since they are standalone structures with no shared walls. Homeowners are less likely to be disturbed by noise from neighboring properties. Townhomes may have shared walls, which may result in more noise transfer between units. However, most new construction townhome complexes are designed with soundproofing measures to minimize this issue. Single-family homes tend to have higher purchase prices compared to townhomes, primarily due to the fact that you are purchasing the land and the home. Townhomes are often more affordable than single-family homes, making them a popular choice for first-time homebuyers, people downsizing, or those looking for a more budget-friendly option. Ultimately, the decision between a townhome and a single-family home comes down to personal preferences, financial considerations, and lifestyle priorities. As you can see, there are advantages to both townhomes and single-family homes. At H.H. Hunt, it's how you live that matters, and we understand and prioritize your lifestyle preferences. Whether you're seeking a townhome or a single-family home, we have you covered. With homes in the most sought-after areas in Virginia and North Carolina, we have your dream home waiting for you. Contact our team today to begin your home buying journey with us.